Did you ever want to get clear, beautiful skin without dry or itchy skin? Or just want even nice skin without a lot of scars because of eczema? Hi, my name is 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝘾 from 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝘾. So I didn't always have clear, beautiful skin. I had skin problems since birth. At age 12, I was diagnosed with seborrheic eczema. Steroids were my best friend for 30 years to relieve my skin problems. And I packed my meds first thing whenever I traveled. In 2014, I was under a lot of stress because the company I worked for went bankrupt. And my skin issues got so bad, steroids even stopped working. My skin was so itchy, dry, and red. I couldn't stop scratching even with more steroids and other medications. Out of desperation, I started searching for a solution and found anti-inflammatory diet. By applying this diet, I got some amazing results. I was able to get off steroids and get clear, beautiful skin all naturally for the first time in my life in 30 years. The foundation of this diet, removing highly inflammatory foods to lower inflammation in the body and supply your body with nutrient-rich foods to heal your skin, so this way you can cure your eczema for good. Visit 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝘾𝙃.com to learn more about my eczema-free recipes and more. I got clear, beautiful skin and became medicine-free since August 2015. No dark skin, no scars, no dried skin, no rashes, no pimple, no itchy. It's been 5 years since I got off steroids. Sometimes when I wake up in the morning, I touch my skin. It's just soft and clear. It's hard to believe that I suffered from eczema for 30 years. In the past, my skin issues had gotten worse during the winter months, so I often woke up at night from scratching myself till bleeding. But not anymore. My skin is clear and beautiful without any medication since 2015 with the help of the anti-inflammatory diet. My skin is clear and beautiful without any medication since 2015 with the help of the anti-inflammatory diet. I hope my story helps you for your eczema-free journey. Leave a comment below this video to share your story. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Visit 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝘾𝙃.com to learn more about the anti-inflammatory diet recipes and more. And follow the link to download top 3 anti-inflammatory diet recipes in the description box below this video.